Well, welcome back to my channel. A friend of mine ordered this for me and pretty excited to open it up. I still haven't bought my own car except for the ones that came with the track, but I haven't actually bought a brand new car yet. My kids got me 2 new cars each, but me personally haven't bought myself one, so I still haven't. So I've opened the end of it. I cut the tape open. Guess you can see that. Yep. So I'm going to open it up so you can see what it is. Carrera label on there. So that's a good hint right there. You know, it's not a piece of track. It's kind of a small box. Maybe I can get it out of there. Did a good job packing them in. Oh boy. That has got to be the prettiest car I think I've ever seen. Looks tons better than what I seen on the internet. I seen it on Amazon's where I got it. But I don't think I seen this particular paint scheme anywhere but that picture I seen on Amazon. I haven't seen any videos with this particular paint scheme, but boy, that is pretty. So let me get her out of the box so we can take a better look at it. I don't know if you guys got to watch any of my last videos, but the last couple ghost race videos I put on have been really good races. And then yesterday, a couple of friends of mine stopped by and we raced together, and that was really fun. Track's getting a lot of use now. So. Let's get this top off. There we go. Guess I didn't get it all the way cut through. Man, that is really pretty. I don't even know if I want to take it out of the box. This is so pretty. But I should be wearing some kind of gloves. This is shiny. Get the oil off my fingers on it. I don't know if this is like a brand new to them with this paint scheme. If it's been out for a while, maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's so brand new that there isn't any out there with guys with videos of it yet. There we go. Watch this goes by the screen. It's got that catfish mouth. Looks like a catfish. Boy, I just can't say how pretty that is. I can't stop saying it. All brand new. Never been on track. So we're going to put her on, run her around one. We'll give her a lap and then we'll put her back in the box. So stay tuned for that. I haven't got it on the track yet, but we were all over the track yesterday. We took down some walls. We were racing pretty hard. Took down a lot of tires. Come around here, there's more tires, a couple of walls that got broken off. I found a way that I'm gonna fasten those more secure with some screws. So, all right, let's get to the drive. Okay, she's on the track. Lights are on. Sticking around, you can see the tail lights. Tail lights are on. Boy, she looks fast. I'm not going to take her fast though. I'm going to take her like today's Easter. I'm going to take her for a little Easter stroll around the track. One last look at that one. Boy, she is beautiful. I did get a little loose in that one corner out there, but that's those Carrera tires. I didn't do anything to them, and boy, I just love the look of that car. That is pretty. It is the Aston Martin Vantage GT3. It's the black and it's got the gold, a little bit of white. Boy, just so pretty. Well, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and keep up. I've got several videos out now, and you can see what's going on with the racing, see some of the cars, and sometimes I'll put something out that's maybe a little funny you'll like or whatever. So I appreciate anything you can do for me. Give me a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.